Children, in part 1, we met Dhamji Bhai and came to know about his way of cultivation. Dhamji Bhai followed natural way of cultivation, which was followed by his grandfather and his grandfather's grandfather and so on. But his son, Hasmukh, switched over totally to the modern way of cultivation, in which use of machines and fertilizer and pesticides. Now here we can see the tractor in place of bullock carts to plow the field. Now these are for harvesting, and here it is robotic videos you saw in the last video. We had to pluck the grass, extra grasses with the hand. Now this is for thrashing, the new style, the old style. You can compare. Now seed one by one we used to put. Now here they can put with the machines. Now there are various type of tractors in which you can add different types of machines. These are good because machines can do the work faster than what we do in by hand, and it does not spoil even the soil. Now Hasmukh thought, why to grow bajra? Let's grow in which we get lot of money. And so he felt that cultivation of cotton and wheat will fetch him lot of money. So he started cultivating cotton and wheat in place of bajra. So this is the cultivation of wheat. And now so much of wheat you can see he is putting in the sack to sell it in the market. Now these are the areas where we grow cotton and wheat. Now these are the 10 cotton. You can see the Gujarat. We have lot of cotton growth, and in Maharashtra. And that's why we have lot of cotton factory. In these places, the darker the place, the more we grow. And here is the wheat growing areas, Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh. These are the place where we grow lot of wheat. Till machine, it was okay. But now you see, in place of fertilizer, the use of composite, the natural fertilizer, what Dhamji Bhai was using, but now they are using fertilizer which are made of full chemicals. You can see here in the packets. And these chemicals either you can put on the roots or you can spray in this way. And these are not natural, they are made in the factory. Now the use of pesticides. We saw Dhamji Bhai used to put ash to kill the insects, and even the seeds and the natural manure was so good that hardly they used to get any disease. But now everything was artificial, and so even the plants used to become sick, and so many types of insects will come to eat the leaves, and so they have to put pesticides. Sometimes there is no rain, and then seeding in the aeroplane, they put again too many chemicals, and then they had, yeah, it is written, and then they will do rain. These are also artificial rain uh, with full of chemicals. They are also not good for our health. Now, lot of you can see varieties of vegetables and other things. You can see wheat, cotton, and everything in the mandi, and he is getting very good price. Hasmukh is getting lot of money, and so he is very happy. He built his house, small house. He made it a big house, and he purchased a motorcycle. And now he was thinking, Now we are farming wisely. We grow only what we can sell in the market at a good price. With profit, we can improve our life. So he thought he can live in a big house and purchase motorcycle to go to the city. And he was very happy. But very soon the doctor said, all these people who are eating with the mixture of fertilizers, they are having diseases. So many types of heart disease, cancer, you know. And the doctor said you should not eat food which has fertilizers. This is the harmful effect of pesticides. That's why, children, when you get fruits and vegetables, you should wash it properly. See, यहाँ पे क्या कर रहा है? Injection लगा रहा है to become more big. I know he is putting the injection, and this all are very harmful to our hormones. They help us to grow, and they are very harmful because they need only money. They are not thinking about human being and animals or about environment. They are thinking only about money. So when you bring the things, you should wash it properly and eat. So this is also again due to the pesticides. Not only human being, even the land became unfertile. Now he is putting so many seeds, more pesticides, more fertilizer, but the crop is very less because even the soil has become very sick due to the over extra use of fertilizers and pesticides. Now the farmer has become poor and he want to take money from the land money lender. In during Damji Bhai, what has to happen? They used to keep the seed so safely for the next crop. But during Hasmukh time, what it happened? Oh, why to keep the seed? We will buy seed from the market every year. And they saw the big size of the seed and they purchased. Oh, seed is very big. The crop will be very good. But it was not like that. The taste of the crop was entirely different. There was no taste at all. Only the size was big because you saw how they were putting the injection. They were putting the chemicals, increasing the hormone, and it was not a healthy growth. But people thought that big seed is good. And now he goes for the money to the money lender to please give me money to buy the seed. And now what happens when the seed is not get his seed, then he cannot grow. Now he has put the seed, and because the money lender gave him money, now he says, okay, now this full crop you have to give to me only. Or sometimes the money lender will say, this land, you have to write your land in my name, only then I will give you the money. Now here, see, the farmer's son has studied and he want to repay the loan and take the land back. But he's surprised. The land cannot come back because the money lender is saying your grandfather had taken the loan and the loan money has become more and more and more and more. It is multiplying due to the interest. And so you have to pay a lot of money. So now the government came to help. Now what is this? Hasmukh son, Paresh, he is thinking now what to do. There is no profit from the land. And father has taken so much money from the money lender. What can I do? He thought, let me become a truck driver. At least I will get monthly income. I'll get some money. And so he became the truck driver. And then he remembered about his grandfather's box. seed box where the seed was kept. And he is asking, give me the box where I'll keep all my tools in this. So the seed box became the tool box. And Damji Bhai, a farmer's grandson, becomes a truck driver. Now, this is the role of money lender. What the money lender does, the as you saw, the farmers are very poor. They don't have any vehicles. There are no good roads. So the middleman will go to the farmers and buy the wheat, or from the mandi. You saw the mandi. From mandi, he will buy the whole lot of things. Okay, in tons, like 100 uh, bags of onion, or the 100 bags of wheat, 100 bags of cotton, and he will come and sell it in the city. He will buy in 20 rupees and he will sell it in 40 rupees. He will say, my profit and my truck, what he took there. So all that money. And then same thing we will buy in 60 rupees. So poor farmer who worked here, and a hard, he gets only 20 rupees, whereas he has spent 15 rupees on producing the crop. And the here who has sell, and the customer, we are paying 60 rupees. And the middleman has taken 40 rupees. He is becoming rich and rich. And the supplier, the farmer is becoming poor, and our pocket is also going less because we are also paying so much money to get the things. But middleman is doing nothing. Only he is taking one truck and going there and selling here, and he is becoming rich. You know? So the government thought for a farm bill. Government has brought a farm bill to improve the condition of the farmers, and then want to remove the middleman. No middleman. The farmers can sell directly to the, suppose that there is a bread factory, it needs lot of wheat. So the government says, let the bread factory go straight to the farmers and tell, I want the whole wheat you are going to produce in your land, you give to me, and they will fix the price. In this way, we will also have the profit. So everybody will have profit. Now the farmer will get good money. Then the bread maker factory will get wheat in a cheap way because there is no middleman to take 40 rupees. And because he will get wheat in less money, then our bread will also be cheap, isn't it? And the government also opened regional rural bank where the farmers can go and take the loan and return. Now he need not go to money lender. The money lender were cheating them. And the government also gave them a card, like your daddy has a card, in the same way that they can go and take the money, buy the seed, and then they can do the cultivation. Now children like you, in one of the school of class 5th, they did one research. Praful, Hansa, Kurtika, Chakki, Pravi, they went to a farmer's place. Okay. And then they found out how he is doing the farming without using the fertilizer and without using the pesticides. And they were surprised. What? They saw the farm. He had a big farm, and you can see the croton. So he had put croton plants in the soil, okay, in different parts of his field. And why? Because the croton plants need very less water, and which the now the croton plant, when there is no water, it will give the signal that what the it has become dry, and the top layer will be dry. Now the leaves will become like a limp. It will sukar jana hai, thoda sa sukar jayegi. And the farmer will come to know, oh, this side there is no water. And so it will go and give water. So now the farmer need not waste the money in putting the water in the whole field. He will now know in which area water is needed. And then they all saw what? Coconut. Oh, beautiful coconut, healthy coconut. And down of the whole area, there was only leaves and leaves. And they was thinking, why so many leaves, dry leaves? They have not cleaned. Then he said, no, why we have not cleaned? Because they are only will become a composite. After some time, it will go down, okay, with the water, with the rain, and they will inside the mud, and then they will become the food again for the plant, recycling. And they also saw thousands of earthworm. And he said, these are my soil's best friends. Who? The earthworm. The earthworms soften the soil as they keep digging underneath to make tunnel. This way, air and water can easily get into the soil. The earthworm also eat the dead leaves and plants, and their droppings fertile the soil. So just think how he is using about the earthworm. So earthworm is helping him for the cultivation. So this is the earthworm. See, the earthworm is going down. It is eating the leaves, okay, and it is making the way. Here you can see, and down, down, down it is going now. It is making like a tunnel. अब इसमें हवा पानी सब जाएगा तो पेड़ के रूट तक पानी और मिनरल्स और देयर ड्रॉपिंग्स, अर्थवर्म का जो ड्रॉपिंग्स है, इट विल मेक इट्स what more fertile. Now look around the house, and locally for material you can use to make your own fertilizer. Surprises await in your waste bin. So, like eggshell, banana peels, all the vegetables, all these things, tea leftover. Okay, you can make the manure that is known as composite. Make your own garden. You can take the plastic dabbas or anything, and you can make the composite. And in that, you can put dhania, pudina, green chili, and a curry patta. All these things you can grow. Now read these stories. You will get it in Amar Chitra Katha. This is another one money lender. You came to know about money lender, so you read this story. You will enjoy. So fill in the blanks, test your knowledge, test your understanding. Then this is the map of India. You have to color the states where you get bajra, cotton, and wheat. Then there is, you saw the festivals. During the Hamji Bhai, festivals were made with such a pomp and show. The food was so tasty. But now there is not much of festivals in the village, and they don't have that much of taste because the crop is not that good as it used to be when it was a natural. Thank you, children. I hope you all enjoyed it and you have understood how we should go to our olden days, back to the natural. We should not live artificial life. We should live a total natural life.